Out here at the electric forest. I did some work last year. Now they finally wanted to cut, which is cool. Got to keep it maintained, or that work would have been in vain. These trees are coming back fast. This is the first starting of trees right here. Get these tall grasses. Allows these trees to regenerate like that one. Sweet gum. These locusts and Bradford pears, and even these pines, they'll come back. But definitely that's sweet gum like that. Cleared out a bunch of those. But now it's just 15 acres of clearing and maintaining for the rest of the summer. This is what Urban Sprout does. We're right here in the city. You can hear the airports. 15 acres. Get her done. Yeah, it goes down into a creek down there. And just needs maintenance all the time. So anyway, Nuri, I'm out. Just came on a scout mission. Fix my hat. The black sheep hat. You're wondering, am I bald? No, my hairline just is all there. But it's just, I like wearing a hat. Can I wear a hat and wear a nose ring too? Anyway, Urban Sprout. Love y'all. Stay tuned for more videos. If you're scared to do a video, man, just do it. Don't be scared. It's one of the motivations that I just got to keep doing it. It's like I'm doing it now. Can't be scared. Just what you sound like to make a mistake. Fail early, fail often, and fail forward. Major key. Failing forward. Electric forest, South Atlanta. 15 acres is going to be solar lights in here. It's going to be all grass. It's going to be grassy. Going to maintain it, make some trails and stuff through here. Some walking trails. Maintain those trails. It's going to be epic. This is the entrance, the grand entrance. All right, y'all. Peace.